As Igbo people, we have deep spiritual beliefs that guide our lives. These beliefs are not things to joke with. If an Igbo person truly wants to succeed in life, they must respect and hold firmly to these values. Please relax and listen carefully. Now, even if you are not an Igbo person, you can learn from this way of thinking and apply it to your own life to achieve success. First, the Igbo people believe in one supreme God called Chukwu Okike Abiama. He is the great Father, the creator of the universe and the giver and sustainer of life. Everything begins and ends with him. This belief teaches us that life has meaning and that there is higher power watching over our actions. Next is Ikenga, which is very important in Igbo belief. Ikenga means a place of strength. It is a powerful symbol among the Igbo people and one of our most common cultural objects. Ikenga represents success, courage, hard work, and achievement. Ikenga is made up of three main parts. A person's chi, that is personal destiny. Their ndi chi, that is their ancestors. And Aka Ikenga, which means the power of the right hand. Prayer, sacrifice, and connection to the earth are also linked to Ikenga. Together, these things remind the Igbo person that success comes from both spiritual support and personal effort. In Igbo belief, Chi is a person's personal god or destiny. It is believed to be a small part of Chukwu that is given to each person at birth. Now, the Chi guides a person's life, choices, and direction. It is not outside the person. It is part of them. When someone succeeds, the Igbo say, Chi Ademma, meaning his or her Chi is good. When someone faces problems, they may say the person's Chi is weak or asleep. This is why Igbos name their children Chi Hiora, which means my Chi is not asleep, and Chi Mwanya, which means my God is awake. However, the Igbo also strongly believe in free will. Your Chi may guide you, but you must work with it. Success does not come by destiny alone. It comes through effort, discipline, and determination. This is where Ikenga, the power of the right hand, becomes very important. It means that a person's success depends on their own hard work, skills, and actions. The Igbo believe that what you achieve in life comes from what you do with your own hands. Because of this belief, Igbo people trust in themselves. We believe that our destiny in this world depends largely on our personal strength and effort. This is why many Igbo men and women succeed wherever they go. We strongly believe in the saying, Onyekwe, Chiekwe. If you believe in yourself, your Chi will agree with you. This means that we shape our own success or failure through our actions. The Igbo also believe strongly in merit. We believe that all human beings are born equal. No one is born better than another. People only become great by what they do later in life. Now, because of this belief, Igbo people have strong hope and confidence. Every Igbo child believes they can become anything, even president. Why not? We believe that nothing is beyond our reach. If we see billionaires, we aim to become even greater. Freedom is also very important to the Igbo people. Traditionally, we do not believe in absolute rulers or kings who control everyone. We do not like being ruled or oppressed. This is why Igbo people were very, very, very rebellious during colonial times. History shows that Igbo slaves were known for resisting oppression, escaping, or fighting back. We believe that a person should be free from birth to death, with only God above them. Because of this love for freedom, Igbo society is democratic. When there is problem, Everyone has a right to speak and be heard. No one is seen as more human than another. Now, at the end of the day, no matter where we go or what we become, we will always be Igbo. Igbo. Yeah. Listen, we will always value achievement in whatever form it comes. We will always care deeply about our families and the development of our villages. We will always be strong, determined, and unbreakable. We will always be proud of who we are. We will always aim high and dream big. We are Igbo and we carry greatness wherever we go. Mhm. Thank you. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away.